commander off there, and it's running.
Thank you for calling Rottweiler Performance. There is no issue with the power commander. The power commander is not causing the bike not to start.
Well, today's the day I get to pick up a motorcycle. I mean, it only took an extra week and a half, and it's a balmy 38 degrees today. So we'll see how that goes. But let's see how it runs without the power commander on it, because that's just going to be in my backpack. And finally get to ride for the first time in 7-8 months now. I'm excited, but let's get to it. All right, here we go. Let's see. Everything seems good. It's not in gear. What? Oh, it's crazy. Wow, it actually works. Look at that. So what they did is they essentially pulled the power commander off just because that wasn't sending signals or something like that. Either way, the unit just went down. So with that unit off, they plugged in the factory harness and everything ran perfectly fine. As we can see here, fires up just like that. So they said it was good thing that unit didn't back up or do something like that and destroy the factory ECU and wipe it and all the other fun stuff. So at least that's good. But I still got to send it out to power commander. I mean, if I even need it. That's the thing. They said I don't need it even though I got a pipe on it, which doesn't make any sense. I mean, because there's a fuel dongle in here. I don't know if you can see, there's a plug there in that factory header. So I don't know. Seems to be running good though. Oh, you picked a cold day to do this, dude. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Alright. Oh. Off to the races. Oh. Good feeling. Haven't had this feeling in a while. Oh! Oh yeah, it's a cold day now. Woo! Oh shit. Just yet. Let her warm up a bit. Oh my god! Oh! Why is it so cold? Oh, please no. It's gonna be a long way home. Oh, this is gonna be a long way home. God, it's like 40 degrees. With this unprotected, this is cold. Man, like my chin hurts and like my neck. I'm not gonna be able to feel my hands by the time I get home, but it's good to be riding. People are like, man, you nuts, and they would be correct. But still, a day on a motorcycle is better than a day not on a motorcycle. Hopefully I don't burn my pants like I did last time. But I do have that nice carbon fiber guard. Oh. Alright, we should be operationally warm, but well, I mean, like, it's gonna be warm. It's freezing out here. Woo! Don't put your feet down, don't put your feet down, don't put your feet down. Yeah! It seems to run okay. It doesn't seem off. But then again, I mean, I haven't ridden in 7 months, so I don't really know what that feels like anymore. Hello there, from me in the future. Quick editor's note. My GoPro corrupted the next 2 files, and I'm really upset because they turned into this. And obviously I can't use that. And it's disappointing because, yeah, I mean, you just lose that footage. And I don't know why, it always happens, but I have a GoPro 9. And when I had my 7, I never had these issues. No files ever corrupted. They never turned into the LRB files so that you can see them on the front screen and the back screen and all these other things. So I don't know. So we're going to miss the middle of this ride, and we're going to miss a great tunnel that we're going to go through and all these other fun things. So you get to see the start and the end. So, yeah, sorry. I guess back to it. Oh, should I jump it? I'm going to jump it, man. That'd be horrifying. My God. I feel like the damn thing would collapse and... yeah, nah, I'm good. Oh, nice. I think that was the first time I used my turn signal this whole ride. I want you. Oh, yeah, don't worry. Ice forms on bridge before road, or whatever that damn sign says. Oh, this sounds so good though. What the hell are you doing? Jesus, lady. Can I see through your... Still got it. And that front end came up a little bit. I was like, oh shit. I don't know how to wheelie. I don't know what I'm doing. It's just what I need. A Starbucks iced coffee right now. Oh my God, it sounds wonderful. Oh my God, pumpkin spice. Well, I think we figured this thing out once and for all. Yeah, all this crap. Yeah, Look at that. Come on. So apparently, this is what cooked itself. It went goodbye, but that doesn't make any sense because I had the green light. Everything seemed to be doing okay. All the connections look just fine. I don't know. What I do know is this motorcycle's back inside because for the next 10 days here, it's gonna be shit. We're gonna have rain, we're gonna have cold. It was 40 freaking degrees today when I was trying to take this thing home. And let's just say it wasn't pleasant. So I'm gonna try to send this power commander back to Dyno. Oh my God. So I'm going to try to send this power commander back to DynoJet, have them go through their testing process, verify what could go on and what went wrong and so on and so forth, and hopefully get a warranty, because that's $400 that goes out the window, plus a tune. And in the meantime, I'll just ride when I can. So to conclude everything, looking back, it really was the power commander. I wonder if, since it was sitting on a battery tender I had the battery out of the bike for a couple months and then put it back in and then put it on a tender. I don't know if any of those things could have faulted it, but it might have. The good thing though is it didn't backlog and go through the factory ECU and totally blow that up, because then I would have been really f***ed on that one. So all in all, the bike runs. I can ride. I'm somewhat happy, and we'll get this figured out. Thanks for watching and enjoying my struggle over the last 3 weeks now of figuring this out back and forth. More videos coming soon, and hopefully ones of me actually riding, you know, this thing. That's what I'd like to do. So, until next time.